best advice ever. Best advice ever to give you right now. Write it down. Remember that forever is giving. Give the best to anybody that you deal with. Just give the best to yourself, to your spouse, to your friends, to your workers, colleagues, parents, brothers, sisters. Give the best. Whatever you do, just give them the best. Yeah. When it comes to business, give the best service. If you're in the service business, best service to your client, you're going to get rewarded so much. Give them happiness. That's what everybody's looking for. Give people happiness. You will be so successful. If you're selling product, sell the best product. Don't sell garbage. Make people happy. If you're selling information, if you teach people, teach them, give them the best information that they can go and be successful from learning from your information. Yeah, you will be rewarded by happiness, love, money, and health. You will feel good. You will be so much healthier and rich and happy and proud. Okay, guys, that's the word. The words of the day is giving. I'll talk to you later. See you later, guys.